Hi everyone, welcome to Module 2. This is due date 12, the first due date in our new module, and I hope you all are excited to learn about digital posters and persuasion in the second half of our course. So today I'm going to talk to you about the 3 assignments that are due for this particular due date, and I think these assignments will be really great for helping orient you to what we talk about when we talk about digital posters and get you brainstorming some ideas for your own projects. So let's jump in. So in this first due date, you're going to be exploring what a digital poster is. So there are a couple of links here as well as some readings from our textbook Writer's Help 2.0 that should help you kind of wrap your head around what we mean by digital poster. So the first link here will take you to this, Mohawk Library's Digital Posters Getting Started. And as you can see here, a digital poster is basically a digital display of information that allows you to present your ideas or research in a visually attractive way by incorporating text, images, animation, video, or audio. So basically the idea is to communicate information in a concise visual format. There's a little bit more you can read on there as well, but I really want to direct your attention to this second link as well, how paper posters became digital. This was put up by the Inago Academy, and in this brief essay, they talk about how paper posters evolved into interactive digital presentations. So you'll be able to kind of see from a professional perspective how e-posters kind of grew in popularity over the last 10 to 15 years. You can also check out the assignment sheet again to review what this means. I see you guys have left a ton of comments, and I will be answering your questions today, so be on the lookout for that. But for this, I'd like you to kind of go through the rest of these as well and do a basic web search, see what you can dig up, and then post to the discussion board about your findings. What have you learned? What are digital posters? Who uses them? Why? How might you use one? That sort of thing, and then respond to 2 classmates. Remember too to try to post early so that your classmates have time to respond to you. In the second due date, or the second homework assignment in this due date, you're going to be doing some free writing. So first, you're going to be reading from the Student's Guide 3 pretty important chapters on rhetorical situations and appeals, what visual analysis is and how visuals communicate ideas, and then how to use evidence to make arguments. There are also a couple of short readings in Writer's Help 2.0 that should help you think about constructing a visual argument. So for this project, you are going to be working with the topic that you worked on in your annotated bibliography. And so for this free write, I want you to do one of 2 things. You can either do a linear synthesis where you free write about your claim and the possible evidence that kind of surface for you in your research, or you can create a mind map or cluster map of your topic. So when I talk about the word claim here, I just wanted to say what I mean is, and this is kind of how I've been prompting you guys in conference, is to think about what is the major takeaway? What do you wish people knew about your topic now that you've researched it? What would you like to share with a wider public? And who is that public? Who is interested in learning more about this? So that's what I mean by claim. Evidence is going to be the kind of research that you did in the specific claims within the articles that you read and put together in your annotated bibliography. So you're going to post this as an assignment. And then lastly, you're going to come up with a proposal to me. Now, as I said to some of you guys in conference, you can change your proposal as things go. Our proposals are often never identical to our final products. But just so you have an idea, the purpose of this proposal is to identify the claim, which you'll do in the above activity, and think about the kind of support that you'll offer and how you want to present the argument. That's the delivery method. What technology tool do you want to use to present your argument? So for this proposal, you're responsible for also discussing the media production technologies you'll use for your digital poster. And remember that on the assignment sheet, you can read about the different ways that you might do that. So there's also, here it is, this link here reviewing that you can review that lists all the kinds of possible technologies that we have here for free at the U of A or online. So take a look at that if you're interested in kind of stretching yourself a little bit with this. So your proposal should be formatted into the following sections. So short, right? Less is more here in a proposal. And pitch an idea. If you're in 197B, there's an asynchronous or one-on-one or on your own assignment for this week, and then you're going to be going ahead and scheduling your last meeting with me, and that link is up. So anyway, have a great afternoon, and I look forward to reading your final projects from our first module. See you soon.